Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the jobs of the future. The world has changed rapidly with the rise of AI, leading to the emergence of many new jobs while others are fading away. So we decided it's time to update our list of in-demand professions for the future. Stick around until the end. We have ranked the jobs from the least to the most lucrative. So let's start. Number 1. Social media influencer. Social media influencing has been trending for a while. With the hype really taking off in 2020, it's challenging to estimate the average income of an influencer because it varies so widely. On YouTube, for example, creators typically earn between $2 to $10 per thousand views. However, influencers also generate income through brand deals, sponsored content, and even selling their own courses. With content creation becoming easier than ever in 2024, more people are treating it like a full-time job. If you are serious about becoming an influencer, take it seriously from day one. Number 2. Prompt engineer. Prompt engineering is a relatively new field, and it's all about communicating effectively with AI to get accurate results. To get meaningful responses from artificial intelligence, you need to craft clear and precise prompts. That's where prompt engineers come in. They are expert in writing queries that help AI deliver relevant outcomes. As of February 2024, the average annual pay for a prompt engineer in the US is around $63,000. What's cool about this role is that you don't need a university degree. You can learn the skill online and practice on your own. Sustainability specialist. Sustainability is a growing global trend, with more companies being required to monitor and minimize their environmental impact. Sustainability specialists design and implement eco-friendly policies and practices with corporations. They are also involved in areas like carbon credits and the transition to electric vehicles. The average salary for a sustainability specialist in the US ranges between $65,000 to $81,000 annually. Next is mental health counselor. Mental health is a critical issue worldwide, with the World Health Organization estimating that 1 in 4 people will be affected by mental illness at some point in their lives. The demand for mental health counselors is increasing as a result. In the US, it's expected that 12,000 new jobs for licensed mental health counselors will open up soon. The average salary for these professionals is around $72,000 per year. Next in the list is renewable energy engineer. As we all know, the renewable energy sector is booming, and renewable energy engineers are the forefront of this growth. They are involved in everything from project planning to implementing large-scale renewable energy solutions. The average salary for a renewable energy engineer is about $80,000 annually, making it a promising career for those interested in sustainable development. Business intelligence analyst. Business intelligence analysts play a crucial role in turning raw data into actionable insights. They create dashboards, tables, and reports that help companies make data-driven decisions, ultimately driving profits and business effectiveness. These analysts can earn up to $90,000 annually in the US, making it a well-paying and increasingly important job. Next in the list is cybersecurity engineering. In today's digital world, data security is more important than ever. Cybersecurity engineers are responsible for protecting companies from cyber threats and data breaches. As the number of cybercrime continues to rise, so does the demand for these professionals. The average salary for a cybersecurity engineer is around $94,000 per year in US. Robotic engineers. Robotics is one of the most exciting fields today. From household robots that help with chores to advanced surgical robots, the demand for robotic engineers is skyrocketing. These engineers design, build, and maintain robots that are becoming integral to daily life. The average salary for a robotic engineer in the US is around $119,000 per year, and the field is expected to keep growing rapidly. Software engineer. Software engineers are always in demand, especially as technology continues to advance. These professionals create website, applications, and new technologies that shape the future. The estimated total pay for a software engineer in the US is around $140,000 with an average salary of $118,000 annually. As the tech industry grows, so will the opportunities for software engineers. AI and automation consultant. AI and automation are transforming industries across the board, and AI consultants help companies navigate this new landscape. These consultants analyze company structures and recommend strategies for optimizing operations through AI and automation. The average salary for an AI and automation consultant is about $124,000 per year, making it a lucrative and in demand profession. Data analysts and data scientists. As the amount of data we generate continues to explode, the need for skilled data analysts and data scientists grows. These professionals help organizations make sense of big data, turning it into valuable insights for decision making. The average salary for a data scientist in the US is around $127,000 per year, and this field is only expected to expand as data becomes increasingly vital. AI and machine learning specialist. AI and machine learning specialists are at the cutting edge of technology, developing algorithms and systems that are transforming industries. The demand for these professionals is projected to grow by 40% from 2023 to 2027, according to recent research. The average salaries of AI and machine learning specialists start at $153,000 per year, making it one of the most lucrative careers in the future. That's all for today. Thank you so much for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear what job you have now and how the development of technology is affecting your work. See you in the comments. Bye bye.